We've made it through the entire business life cycle. My name is Andrew Ayers. I'm an attorney with a focus on small businesses, helping them get started, grow, and thrive, and then estate planning for those business owners, doing their wills and trusts and healthcare documents. We've now been through a series of videos looking at choosing your name, your owners, your form, setting your lineup, filing with the state, getting your agreements, resolutions, employees, and annual meeting together, and making sure everything is filed with the state again. Now, not everything on this list is something you've encountered, but as you probably know by now, starting and running a business is a 24/7 job, but you shouldn't neglect your personal life as well. In this quick bonus video, let's talk about that personal side of things. Do you have your estate plan in order? A lot of the business owners I work with are so focused on their business, they work 24/7, they're working weekends, and they never have the time to think about their family and their estate planning needs. So I'm here to tell you briefly, it's important to get that will or trust put together. It's a simple document, or it can be a complex document, depending on who you are and what you need. However, don't just go to LegalZoom or some website and download some documents, fill in your name that's mail merged, and then sign it and never think of it again. Your business is an incredible asset. It's a legacy for your family, and you want to make sure you've got it protected. What's especially important for you is what's called a financial power of attorney. What happens if you become sick? Who's going to be able to run that business for you? With the power of attorney, you can designate your spouse or somebody else to be able to run the business for you if you become sick. What about a healthcare power of attorney? Not only are you unable to function your business, let's say you're in a coma and you're unable to make health decisions for yourself. Let's make sure you've got your healthcare power of attorney in place so that the right person is making the right decisions. When I work with business owners, I also put in a HIPAA authorization, which will give your loved ones access to any medical records they may need access to, especially if they need to make a very important health decision for you. We want to make sure they have all of that information. In addition to having all your estate plan documents together, let's make sure you're meeting with your financial advisor on a yearly basis. I've got a variety of financial advisors I work with, and every one of them makes sure that their clients check in with them yearly, and they also all recommend that they come talk to me. So have you checked in with Andrew this year? Make sure that your estate plan doesn't need to be updated. Maybe we need to update a power of attorney or we have different beneficiaries, but make sure you're checking in with those important professionals on a yearly basis. You're running a business, so you also need to make sure you're checking in with your accountant. Make sure you're taking advantages of all the tax implications. Every year, there could be changes to the tax code. If there's been an election, every 4 years, you can have a very different tax code or tax benefits that are available to you. Whether it's on the federal level or on the state level, you want to make sure you're taking advantage of all those tax benefits. The point I want to hammer home to you today is that your business can leave an amazing legacy to your family. Don't neglect the planning that takes place for you on the personal side. Let's make sure we've got your estate plan, whether it's a will, whether it's a trust. Maybe we're setting up a trust to own a family vacation home and make sure that's safe in case there's creditors of the business that are going to come after you. Let's make sure that you're talking to your financial advisor and your accountant. Let's make sure that everything is in place. It probably takes an hour to an hour and a half a year, but that personal peace of mind is incredibly important to you and the legacy that your business can leave behind. I'm happy to work with you on your business. I'm just as happy to work with you on your estate planning. So if you're running a business, it's running you ragged, it's 24/7, don't forget to get your personal planning in place as well. Give me a call, shoot me an email, let's sit down and have a legal strategy session to make sure that not only your business is protected, but also that your personal and family are protected as well.